Hey, I don't know about you, but I am so excited about answering questions today. We have been having them
fortunate questions
flooded in. They've been flooding in, and we need to get to some of those questions.
Yes.
So we've been putting out a lot of these segments lately so that you guys can get answers to the questions you have for us.
Yes.
So, Steve, why don't you grab me a
I
question
certainly would
today?
be
It's
absolutely
my
happy
turn to read the question.
Fortune cookie coming
All right.
up.
Oh,
Good hand up. Excellent job.
I am going to avoid getting everything onto the carpet and taking a look at our question today. I keep waiting for us to accidentally get the 2 in there, but we've been really good about only baking 1 into a thing. So this is from Jennifer from Yuma, Arizona.
We've actually never done anything in Yuma. Jennifer, if you want us to come to Yuma, let us know.
Yeah, that's right. And it says, do I really have to learn how to shoot in manual mode? Aperture mode works fine.
Yes.
She's a portrait photographer.
Yes. So yeah, absolutely. In a few segments back, we talked about Joe McNally, and he actually is a big aperture priority shooter.
Yeah.
In doing a lot of portraits. But you know what? I say you need to learn manual, because taking complete control over your camera will make you a better photographer.
Yes.
And people are always scared to shoot manual. It's like, I don't know what to do. Learn it.
Yeah.
And we have some great tutorials on shooting in manual, and go check them out. But you need to do it, because you'll find that there's situations where the camera just cannot figure it out and not get it right. And those are usually very dramatic light situations, or
Yep. And for a lot of portrait photographers, shooting an aperture priority becomes this crutch that actually hurts their photography, because everybody, when we shoot portraits, want to shoot wide open. So their camera's going to 2.8, and they just go, you know what, I let my camera figure the rest out, because everything I want to shoot at. And what happens is they shoot group portraits at 2.8, and they got the people in the front in focus, and the people in the back are blurry. There's all those little things. You get lulled into this false sense of security of like, 2.8 works great because I don't have to worry about low light, and you do have to worry lots of times.
And I do have to say, though, things like aperture priority have really, really improved. On the newer series of cameras. I mean, it's really good.
Yeah.
Really good. But get used to shooting in manual. You will thank us a million times over. It really improves your photography.
Yeah, and that's not to say don't shoot an aperture priority. Shoot an aperture priority when it's needed.
I think just a little bit more on that. Just there's times that I do shoot aperture priority when I don't have time to think. Right? If I'm shooting an event, a lot of times it's aperture priority, because I want to make sure that I get that shot where the blurry background or something is not as important, or the dramatic lighting. But if you want to capture the shot, just shoot it in aperture priority where you don't have to think, and it figures out all the settings for you. So
very much so.
That was
a good question.
I liked it. Hopefully you did too.
Yep. So thank you, Jennifer from Yuma.
Yuma.
And like always, if you have a question, let us know, and we'll put it into one of our cookies and hopefully get to it on our Fortunate Questions segment. And we'll also send you a little special gift from the Chopstick Guy, the official Chopstick Guy kit. So that's a big incentive to send us a question.
It's a huge incentive.
Like always, we ask that you like and subscribe to our channel. You can ring the bell up top, and it will let you know every time that we have a new segment, new video, new show released. But more importantly, we want you to remember to always say sushi.
Till next time.